Alright, well, this is the lake we're gonna be fishing on. Don't mind the shit caster right here. Fucking piece of shit. But we still gonna catch some fish. Just running a little rooster tail. You'll see. I'm gonna catch some fish. Let's go. First cast. Oh, yes, first one. Come on, baby. All right. Great first catch. Jesus. Let's get that guy up there. All right, you guys. Awesome first catch. Awesome first catch. Nice little guy right there. Things you do to find a fishing spot, I guess. Oh my god, there's so many little froggies. Alright, this isn't stupid. This isn't stupid at all. I thought I'd take a shortcut. Not at all. Dang it. Right at the end, too. Oh, I got one. Yes, sir. Come here. Come here, little guy. Yes, sir. Nice little fish. Yes, sir. Let's get him off of there. Oh, I think I got one. Awesome, bro. A little one. Dude, you did a trick for me. Come here. Come here, little guy. Yes, sir.
You switched spots and
Let's go. All right. Nice little guy right there. Let's let him back in. All right, friend. Goodbye.